Hello everyone, I am Roshan and welcome to Indian Box. As we all know, we are in grave situation due to coronavirus. And in today's video, we'll try to understand what is coronavirus, where it all started, along with symptoms and many more. So let's begin. So first question everyone will be having is, what is coronavirus? So coronavirus is a type of virus, or you can say family of virus, which causes illness in human being and animal. It mostly affects our respiratory system. So some other family of coronavirus are SARS, as you know, Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome, which was early in 2002 and 2003, and the other group was Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, that is MERS or MERS. Recently we have discovered a new kind of coronavirus which we gave name as COVID-19. Coronavirus is something which has long history. So it's not something which we found recently. It was earlier discovered in late 1930s in some of the chicken, and first human coronavirus were discovered in 1960 among few children. And later we also discovered in 2002 and 2003 in China that we call as SARS, that is Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome. It's also a kind of coronavirus. And later in 2012 in Saudi Arabia we have found another coronavirus, that is Middle East Respiratory Syndrome. The recent discovered COVID-19 or coronavirus 19 is originated in Wuhan in China in late December 2019. And thereafter it was spread in another countries and entire world is covered with COVID-19. So why this virus named as coronavirus, not something else? So coronavirus is a word came from Latin word corona, which means crown. And this virus structure looks like crown. Name was firstly introduced in 1968, and the recent one which we have came as novel coronavirus means new kind of coronavirus. Later it was given name as COVID-19. It means coronavirus disease 2019. And its scientific virus name is SARS-CoV-2 or Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome coronavirus. So what is the source of this COVID-19 or coronavirus? Till now there is no scientific explanation where it has been originated or from where it has came. But few evidence suggests that it came from bats or some wild animals. But there are few conspiracy of this virus, like someone is saying that it came from natural or someone is saying that it is man-made. But there is no concrete evidence or any proof to justify these claims. All evidence suggests that it is a natural occurring virus in some of the wild animals. You let me in the comments what you think. Is it a natural or is it a man-made? The first infection which occurred in December 2019 in the Wuhan city. And later in recent article few of the media press also stated that it was not something which has occurred in December 2019. It was spreaded in 17 November. A 55-year-old individual has got this infection in November itself. So what is the symptoms of COVID-19? It is similar to flu which we normally have in general, like cold, cough, fever. These are the normal symptoms of flu. Similarly, COVID-19 has this kind of symptoms only. If you are having cough, fever and continuous headache and cold, then it is kind of symptoms of COVID-19. And the person, or you can say older people above the age of 50, which are more prone to the virus, but most of the people are affected with COVID-19. Now let us see how does COVID-19 spread. Is it airborne or not? Normal person can get infected when any infected person sneeze or cough nearby him. If his droplets inhaled by the normal person, then COVID-19 will be spread. So it is always recommended to have a distance of 1 meter while talking or gathering, that is called social distancing. Person can get infected in other way also. If such droplets fall on any surface or any object, and when a normal people touch that object, and when he touch his nose, eyes or ear, then those droplets and virus can get enters in his body and it will get infected from person to person. Now let us see what is the current status of coronavirus in the world and in India. As of today, more than 29 lakhs has been infected with coronavirus in the world and almost 2,03,000 people have died due to that. In India, we have around almost 27,000 of cases in which 826 people have died and almost 6,000 people has recovered. So this is the status which I captured on 26th April and it is increasing day by day. If you want to access current status, you can visit these two sites and many more are available. The links are present in description. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you next time.